Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what happened last week, and I apologize that I haven't been back with the regularly scheduled programming, but last week I got completely derailed with a plumbing nightmare, and so yeah, this video is all about last week. I spent 5 days on it, so let's see what happens. Alright, so that's what I did today. I put in those 2 new lines and ran a new line for the dishwasher and a new line for the ice maker. Cut out all this old broken 30-year-old crap. That was not a fun thing. So now I'm just sitting here waiting for the water company to come turn the water back on, and hopefully everything works. Okay guys, good morning. Resin Bell here. I have not disappeared completely, I promise. I've had a lot of stuff come up lately over the last month, and it's disrupted my weekly video schedule. I had planned to catch up on a month's worth of videos so that I could start my studio remodel next month, and stuff just keeps kind of getting in the way of that, but life happens when you're making other plans, right? So yeah, I had my daughter's wedding, and it was beautiful and wonderful, and we worked really hard to make it happen, and it was a beautiful wedding. 24 hours after she got married, she lost her housing, and she had 24 hours to be out of that situation. So we had to move her, and had to make a lot of trips and put stuff in my storage, and then after that, that weekend, that was last weekend, I did my studio storage area, and I had planned to do some more videos, weekly videos for Mini Resin Chef, and then my pipes broke. So the last several days I've been dealing with broken pipes, and I got it all connected. It was a pipe that broke under the sink, and I got them all replaced, and well, the upper part that was broken replaced. And it's an older house that we just bought from my mom last week. So there was that too. And yeah, so welcome to home ownership, right? Got the pipes done yesterday, turned the water back on, everything was good. And then about midnight last night, had another piece that was farther down. That's the old pipe that we were planning on replacing, but not this week. So we had to get that. Yeah, so that has to be replaced today. So I had to come to Lowe's to get some more pipe, more parts. Gonna have to crawl under the house because it's down below the subfloor where it broke last night. So I'm just gonna replace that whole entire section. Just kind of was planning on, redoing the subfloors in the kitchen and just remodeling in there, but that wasn't going to be for about 6 months or so, hopefully within this year. That's where I'm at this morning. Wish me luck. I will do my best to be back with Mini Resin Chef as soon as I can, but this is taking a lot out of me. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are having a better week or a couple of weeks than I am, but it's not the end of the world. It's just not planned. So that's where I'm at today, and I'm headed back. Got my pipe, got my parts, and I'm going back to crawl under a house. So, all right, I'll see you guys as soon as I can. Later. Okay, so after I got home from that, I went under the porch with my boyfriend, or under the house and with my boyfriend, and we went to fix the pipe that was broken under the subfloor, and our cat had gone missing, I don't know, 4 days before, 5 days before, 4 days before, and we found him under the house perished. So that was really distressing, and started bawling, and so I was down in the muck and the mud and sad, and it was just absolutely the most awful day ever. Okay. One down, one to go. Here. Dun, da, da, da. Whew, okay, I'm out of steam. Okay, I did it. I did it. Okay. Now we get the water turned on and pray that the next section of pipe doesn't break. Well, life update number 3. I'm on my way back to Lowe's again. Fix the pipes. All holding soundly. Turn the water back on. Then the pipes under the bathroom sink in another room broke. Alright, that's where I'm at. Well, here I am, day 5, under the house where the pipes leaked. Woohoo! Someday I'll be done with this. Okay. Old pipes out, new pipes in, waiting for water to get turned back on, and hopefully we'll be there. All right, so that's what happened last week, and so now we are into May, so I don't have time to make the videos for May, so I'm jumping right into the studio makeover. There's a lot that needs to be organized and got rid of, and I have to fix the floor in here, replace the subfloor, and I'm tearing out part of a wall, I'm tearing out a closet, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for that. There's more videos on organizing and clearing out a craft room hoard. And hopefully we'll get this place ship shape pretty soon. Giving myself the month of May, so I'll be showing you guys my progress as I go. So hopefully you'll tune into that. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.